Well, hey guys, I don't think I recorded a whole bunch of the video, but basically I was debating whether I should keep on doing 4K 60 FPS footage or should I go to 4K 30 FPS, because I like my stuff looking smooth, but kind of want to go for a more realistic, you know, with motion and all that, especially on the highway. I want things to look like, you know, like the real. Like everything is as fast as it actually is. Tell me if it looks good or not. Should I stick with this or should I keep on doing like 60 FPS or whatever? Because I will gladly do both. And I just found this out recently, but when you're doing 1080p content on YouTube, this is why my videos when I used to do 1080p looked so bad, because YouTube has such a weird way of processing videos, and every time you try to upload a video to YouTube, the bitrate goes from here to down here. And once I started doing 4K content, everything just looked so much better. Even the step up to 1440p, everything just looked so much better. No tearing or any pixels or shit I didn't like. And if you guys didn't catch my latest video, the 3,000 mile review-ish, it's not even at 3,000 miles yet. Whoops! If you guys didn't catch that video, boom, right here. You can check it out. I tried my best, as best as I could. I tried better with the 1,000 mile review video, because that, I pulled out a whole fucking spec sheet for that thing, and I didn't even need to. There was no need. You could just look the stuff up about the Ninja 400. There's nothing too special about the bike. When I tried that ZX6R for the first time, and if you haven't seen that video, boom, right here. That video was so much fun to record. That demo day was just incredibly fun. I rode the Ninja 650, the ZX6R, and the Ninja 1000 SX, and all those bikes were fantastic. And they all had aspects where they were better than the other bike. Comfortability, power, you know, the whole shaboodle. CarMax, hey. All right. Here we go. Oh my god, I'm just so used to it at this point. Oh, I found that one funny this time. What is wrong with me? And the second I passed that car, I knew she was gonna pull out, so I was pre-fired. I was ready to go. So they just built this new Cadillac dealership right up here. I had no clue they were building anything like this. I didn't know that was gonna be that. A whole ass Cadillac dealership, and it looks really nice. For all you people that like Cadillacs out there, that's it. That's the one you want to go to. What is all this smoke up here? Whoa, it does not smell good over here. What the hell is going on over here? And I wonder what's going on over there. It does not smell like no bonfire, I'll tell you that much. Here we go with this curve again. Remember to keep on riding, be safe, and enjoy your life. I'll see you guys in the next one. Tonight was a very beautiful night. It's really cool out here, so it's just been awesome riding. I'll see you guys in the next one.